Hello and welcome back, team. My name is AJ, one of the mentors here at Bit Trading, and today of course we are going to take a look at the price of Bitcoin. I'm going to go through the trades that I'm currently in and the targets that I have for those trades, and we will also take a look at future price levels that I'm interested in trading to help you guys profit off of these markets. So if that sounds interesting, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you are new, and turn the bell notification on so you never ever miss another upload, and make sure that you watch this video up until the end because like I said, I will be giving you some valuable information on how to profit off of these markets. But enough of that, let's jump into the charts and see what is going on. So for almost a month now, I have been very bullish on the price of Bitcoin, and I have been expecting higher prices, And of course, here at Bit Trading, we have been taking full advantage of this big rise towards the upside because we have been in a very profitable long position, This long position has yielded us over 705% in a profit, As you can see here, our entry price was around $41,000, and we took our last TP at around $48,000, So this has been a very profitable trade for us here at Bit Trading, And of course, I gave this trade to my Visionary members just here on the Visionary Discord, I said long setup for me, Here was the setup that I gave my team. And I said that we were seeing bullish open interest and CVD at the GP and 0.786, which is why I entered into this long position, And like I said, it has been a very profitable long position for us, taking over 705% in a profit, So we took full advantage of this rise towards the upside, And then of course, the Bitcoin ETF has been approved, which has also pushed the price a little bit higher as well. So we've taken full advantage of that as well. But for me right now, I am currently short on the price of Bitcoin, which is why in the thumbnail I have said I have shorted the Bitcoin ETF. So I did give this setup to my team yesterday, at around 3:30 p.m. I said short setup for me. Here was the short setup that I gave my team on the Visionary Discord, because we formed a failed auction with bearish CVD and open interest, as you can very clearly see right here, we formed the failed auction, as you can observe right there, and then we had the bearish CVD and bearish open interest along with that, which gave me that signal, to enter into the short position, So I had all the confirmation factors, all the confluence factors, and I had the bearish reaction as well, telling me to enter into that short, And very quickly, we took a TP1 at 63%, as you can see right there, and then after that as well, we took a TP2 and moved that stop loss to entry at around 95%. So this is now a completely risk-free trade. We've taken a TP1 at 63%, we've taken a TP2 at 95%, and that stop loss is now at entry. So there is no possible way that this trade can turn into a losing trade. This is a winning trade and only ever will be a winning trade because that trade is now, that stop loss has now been moved to entry. So there's no way we can turn this winning trade into a losing trade, So that's where I'm sat right now, I'm sat on the short side, because we had the high at 48,000, as you can observe here, the yearly high. Then what did we do? We failed auction that with bearish CVD, bearish open interest, giving us the signal to enter into the short, And as you can see, we've seen the bearish reaction, We've seen the price pull back. And for me right now, I am just remaining short and chill on the price of Bitcoin, I would like to see lower prices for Bitcoin, Yes, we are in a range as of right now, And this is, going to really help with our trade targets and also future trades as well, So we have a very clear range forming right here, And as you can see, we've come up to the range high, We failed auction the range high, and we are now getting that moved to possibly the range low, The range low is currently sat, let's actually mark this on the chart. The range low is currently sat at around $44,296, or exactly at $44,296. That is where the range low is currently sat, and if we do see price continue lower, this will be another TP for me, I would like to see price come down to 44,296, where I would take another TP off of this trade and most likely close the majority of the trade, maybe leaving 15% left in the trade to see if we do see lower prices, but because we do have a very obvious range low right here, there is a high probability that we could actually see price come down to the range low, We could see price come down to the range low and actually form some bullish market structure, but also bullish CVD, bullish open interest as well, which gives us that signal to possibly enter into a long position, and then we would then actually target the range high, okay, the new range high, possibly up here, of course taking profit sort of in the mid-range of that channel that we have, okay, because remember, the mid-ranges of channels do act as resistance and support as well, so we do just have to bear that in mind, and that is why we have taken profit around these levels as well and move that stop loss to entry, okay. But yeah, of course, looking for that long position if we do see price continue much lower. Now, of course, I will be giving this trade setup, if it does occur, to my Visionary members on this Visionary Discord right here, where I give all of my trades away. So if you want access to this, make sure you click the link in the description. It will take you over to this page here, and you can gain access to the Discord, and of course the courses there as well, which give you access to my personal strategies, okay, which help me, okay, win 85% of my trades. So if you want access to that, make sure you click the first link in the description or the first link in the pinned comment as well. Okay, so right now I am currently just sat, in a short position. I am currently short and chill on the price of Bitcoin. I still have a very small amount left in that long position. So if we do continue to see price rise, okay, we are most likely, we will be getting stopped out at entry, because remember, we moved the stop loss to entry, and then we will see that long continue to yield us profits. Yes, there's only a little bit left in that trade, okay, but we can still take advantage of that price movement towards the upside, because again, we still have a little bit left in that long position, okay. So right now, I would just like to continue to see lower prices, okay? Maybe just down to the range low here, okay? If we come down to the range low, then we could possibly form some bullish market structure. If we do see that, then of course, I will be entering into a long, and then of course, giving that trade setup to my team here on the Visionary Discord, like I always do. And like I said, if you want access to this, click the first link in the description or the pinned comment, okay? It will take you over to this page here, and you can gain access to that. But yeah, like I said, remaining short and chill, that is my plan for right now. Next possible long position is at 44,296. I've given you the setup there. Okay, if we see price coming into that level, we're looking bullish on the open interest, bullish on the CBD, and we form some bullish market structure, then of course I'm going to take that long position, okay? And vice versa as well. If we actually come up to this high that we made here, okay, at $49,045, yes, there is a possible short from this high right here. If we come up here, we're looking bearish, okay, we can actually enter into a short and target lower prices, okay. If we don't look bearish at this high right here, what can we do? Well, we target higher prices, we look for much higher prices, and yeah, we continue to ride that long position, okay. Unlike the range low down here, okay, we see price coming into it and we're looking bearish, okay, then we're going to target lower prices and we're going to continue to ride that short position much lower, okay. So that is my plan for right now. I have shorted the Bitcoin ETF approval, okay. I know many of you are going to completely be disagreeing with me right here, but remember, okay, we are in a very nice profit on this short position already, taking 95% in a profit. Move that stop loss to entry, now a risk-free trade, okay. So you can criticize me all you want, okay, but this trade has been a very successful trade, okay. But that is all I've got for you today. Thank you very much for watching. If you are new, subscribe and make sure you hit that thumbs up button as well. So I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. See you later, guys. Goodbye.